Hello and welcome to another planes, trains and automobiles journey, and this time we're going to go to Portsmouth and Southsea. So not Portsmouth Harbour, which is the last one. We're going to the one before, which is for the town. I have some business there which is to do with the other channel. However, for the travel channel we're going to do the journey from here, Westbury, to Portsmouth and Southsea, because we haven't done that one for 5 years, probably about 2019 I think it was, last trip. So we're going to do that one again, this time obviously going to the one before the last stop, because last time we went to the harbour and then we had to scooter back to the main town centre, which was quite a long way, so we don't want to do that again. So hopefully we'll have a good day out. I've got to get the ticket, and it's going to be, a return ticket is about £29, which is far more than going to bloody Weymouth or Southampton or even to Bournemouth. It's still quite a lot of money. Obviously day return, off peak. Yeah, I don't know, prices have gone up a lot lately and it's becoming very hard to justify these trips, because obviously we want to do them again because it was 5 years ago. Anyway, whatever. I need to go and get the ticket because the train's coming in about 15 minutes.
If I have to do that, I'll just go and get Nathan to do it. Tell him that I'll get to give it a call for you. Alright? See you later.
Morning. Portsmouth, day return? Portsmouth Southsea, not the harbour. Yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. And the
Lovely. 29.15.
can you give them a call to say, because it's on platform 1, isn't it? Yeah, so save me having to go over and...
Yeah. Oh, would you like your receipt?
Yes, please.
I will call them now.
Thank you very much. Hello.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Press the wrong button then. This lift does not sound very healthy. Oh shit. That was a bit quick, wasn't it?
Doors closing.
Right. So that is, where are we? Can't see. Portsmouth Harbour. Oh, I can't see it. Oh, look down here. First one. Oh, it's yeah, two minutes late.
This train has 3 coaches.
4 coaches.
Platform. Passengers for AGODA should board the
Train
front
stops.
coach. This train
6
does
to
not
3.
have any toilet facilities. Train stops in zone 224. Platform
6
2
to 3.
of the 0940 Great Western Railway serves to Bristol and London.
C, Telephone House.
Doesn't say.
We are sorry to announce that the 0940 Great Western Railway service
Zone
to
6
Bristol
to
and
3.
London is delayed by approximately 4 minutes.
Sure, in zone 3 there.
Platform 3 of the 0940 Great Western Railway service to Swindon
Right.
via
So we're here. Right, well, we've got about 5 minutes to go. My shoulder's hurting today. Yeah, it's gone a bit cold. Good job I brought my jacket with me today. Not sure when. Oh, it's on time, so it should be 10:04. It's now 9:58. So just waiting for the guide to come over. Got 4 minutes to be here. Hopefully be here on time. Thing is, they've got 2 trains going at the same time. Ah, here comes our train anyway. So this is our train coming in. Yep. So where is Wright? Disabled. Down here. Oh, that one. Portsmouth Southsea. All right, thanks. Thank you very much. so guy didn't come over. It's annoying, isn't it? Don't know where the hell he is. Anyway, we'll see you in Portsmouth Southsea. Yep, thanks.
This is Portsmouth and Southsea. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway station to Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Portsmouth Harbour.
Right, thank you very much. Cheers. Going to go down then. That was pretty good trip, but very, very boring because it was too long, and we're now 10 minutes late.
Doors opening.
10 minutes late. Go through. Way out. Yeah. I don't like this station. It's not very good. Jump. think it's this way. Right, well there we go. So wait for the trip home. So we'll see you later and catch you on the journey home. Oh hello, sorry to interrupt the video, just to say that if you're interested in and keen to watch new episodes before they come out, the best way to do that is become a Patreon, and you can do that very simply. Just go over to patreon.com/Andy Wright Online and sign up for a monthly donation, which can be as small as $5, which is hardly anything. If you think about it, you can probably get a cup of Costa coffee if you're lucky. But $5 a month will allow you access to all of the videos that I'm going to be bringing out in the next few months, and you will get them at least a week early, so you can entertain yourself with the new episodes. Sorry to bother you, but now back to the video.